Hello, I'm Christie, the head of sixth form at Harrogate Ladies College, and I am delighted to introduce our new sixth form leadership and development initiative, the Empower programme. The Empower programme is key for our students. It not only strengthens their academic foundations, but also equips them with the mindset, skills, and experience to thrive in their chosen path. Our goal is to develop confident, capable future leaders who are ready to take on the world with ambition and purpose. These pillars are underpinned by Flourish, the school's pioneering health and well-being programme, ensuring that pupils are happy, healthy, and confident to help them excel both academically and beyond the classroom. At its core, the Empower programme provides a comprehensive sixth form package built around academic excellence, with pupils usually choosing to study 3 A-levels. Beyond this foundation, the programme incorporates 4 dynamic pillars. These pillars are equally important, and each is designed to develop essential skills for success. With the Empower programme, we continue to set the benchmark for holistic education and leadership development, reaffirming our commitment to preparing pupils for success in their careers and in life. One of the key pillars in this approach is Think, a pillar dedicated to fostering intellectual curiosity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. This is where we encourage pupils to challenge themselves, explore new ideas, and develop the mindset necessary for success in both their academic and future career pursuits. Following on from a recent University Open Day, one of our Year 13 students experienced a moment of immense pride when she received an unconditional offer from her first choice university. Bringing along the architectural model she had created for her EPQ, she impressed the senior lecturer, who had never seen an EPQ artefact focused specifically on architectural technology before. Therefore, they followed up their meeting with an invite for an interview with their faculty panel. This pupil was able to speak with confidence and fluency, having just completed their EPQ presentation. She highlighted the research, problem-solving and technical skills she had developed, proving just how valuable the EPQ can be in shaping future opportunities. This student's experience is a perfect example of how the EPQ fosters not just academic excellence, but also confidence, independence, and adaptability, qualities that are crucial as students take their next steps. Her ability to articulate her skills and reflect on the learning journey made all the difference in securing her offer. This brings us to our next pillar, Grow, which is all about personal development. We encourage pupils to step outside their comfort zones, take ownership of their learning, and develop resilience, whether through leadership roles, independent projects, or managing new challenges. We support them growing into well-rounded individuals, ready to thrive beyond school. One of our most powerful examples of growth in action is the experience of our pupils completing the Gold Duke of Edinburgh Award. The residential element, in particular, pushes them far beyond their comfort zones. Whether it's navigating unfamiliar terrain, working with new people, or overcoming unexpected challenges, they quickly learn the importance of preparation, resilience, and teamwork. Recently, a group of our Year 13 pupils returned from their Duke of Edinburgh residential, where they had to adapt to the new environment, rely on each other's research and problem solving, and find the motivation to push through physically and mentally demanding tasks. Despite the initial challenges, they came back with a deep sense of pride, stronger friendships, and invaluable life skills, demonstrating just how transformative this experience can be. This ability to lead through real-life challenges is something we actively cultivate at college, whether through positions of responsibility, teamwork in the classroom, or independent projects. We provide an environment where they can cultivate leadership skills, teamwork, and initiative through real-life challenges. The prefects in this photo have undergone a rigorous selection process, reflecting the real-world demands of leadership roles. From a written application and video CV, mirroring what many future employers now expect, to whole school hustings, face-to-face interviews, and final selection, Each of them has demonstrated initiative, resilience, and a commitment to giving back to the school and being a role model. Their allocated prefect position allows them to lead by example, shaping the school community and preparing them for leadership beyond college. However, this is not the only way leadership is experienced at college. All pupils are encouraged to take on leadership opportunities, whether through joining clubs, applying to be a subject ambassador, or developing confidence in public speaking through their form chapel presentations. Moving on to Propel, in sixth form, we are dedicated to providing tailored career guidance, mentorship, and university preparation to ensure every pupil can achieve their aspirations, whether aiming for Oxbridge, medicine, law, or other competitive fields. We offer bespoke support to navigate the application process, including personal statement workshops, mock interviews, and expert advice from subject-specific mentors. Additionally, our pupils are supported in exploring international pathways, helping them find the right university or career opportunity, no matter where their ambitions take them. The size of our sixth form allows us to recognise each pupil's strengths, offering tailored support to help them achieve their full potential. Our dedicated team of tutors brings a wealth of experience, ensuring that students receive personalised guidance throughout the UCAS process, while also benefiting from outstanding pastoral care. The majority of our pupils secure places at their first choice universities, with well-established preparation programmes. For those exploring alternative pathways after A-levels, we provide dedicated support for apprenticeships, degree apprenticeships, and structured gap year planning, ensuring that every pupil has the resources and confidence to take their next step successfully. Ultimately, the Empower programme provides pupils with greater independence as they prepare for university and life beyond school. These 2 years in sixth form are crucial in shaping future aspirations, and our role is to expertly support and guide each student while fostering an environment where they can flourish, both academically and personally. If you have any questions or would like any more information as to how we can support your child through their sixth form journey, please do not hesitate to get in touch. We are here to help and look forward to hearing from you.